What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to insert or embed a PDF file in Microsoft Excel. This can be incredibly useful for integrating more detailed data or reports directly within your spreadsheet. Let's dive into a few methods to do this effectively. First, if you want to link a PDF file to your Excel worksheet in a way that allows for quick access but keeps your sheet clean, you can create a hyperlink directly within a cell or using a shape. Start by selecting the cell where you want the link to appear. Then go to the Insert tab, choose Shapes and pick a shape to insert. After drawing the shape, right-click on it, choose Link and then select the PDF file you want to link to. Click OK and now your shape works as a clickable link that opens the PDF. Another straightforward way to create a link is by using a simple hyperlink text. Right-click the cell where you want the link. Select Link, choose your file, and then click on OK. This method directly embeds a hyperlink in the cell, and clicking it will open the PDF file. The third method involves embedding the first page into the PDF file right onto your Excel sheet, which can give you a quick preview of the document. Go to the Insert tab, navigate to the text group, and then select Object. In the dialog box that appears, check Create from File. Then click Browse to find and select your PDF file. Ensure you check Link to File if you want to embed content to update with changes to the original PDF. Click OK and resize the embedded preview as needed. Double-clicking the object will open a PDF. To fully embed a PDF file as an icon that you can double-click to open, go to the cell where you want the icon to appear. Here, go to Insert, then the text group and choose Objects. This time, in the Objects dialog box, select Create from File. Browse to your file and select Display as Icon before clicking OK. This method embeds the PDF into your worksheet as an icon, keeping your worksheet neat while providing access to the full PDF file on double-click. These methods allow you to either link or embed PDF files in your Excel worksheets, enhancing the interactivity and functionality of your spreadsheets. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.